Hi there, it's Professor Monty. We're talking about combining intersection videos. So with intersection, looks like an upside down U. It's called an intersection and it means and. So this time, if something's in one interval and also in the other interval, it has to be in both. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw pictures of these. We're going to draw intervals, intersections where these two intervals intersect. Just the place they intersect where they both are, those are the numbers we get to keep. Let's see some examples. Okay, so I've got 7 and 3. We'll put those up there in numeric order on the number line. We've got 7 to infinity. Well, that goes this way. And we've got negative infinity to 3. So negative infinity for every left all the way to 3. Intersection. And we only get things, numbers, that are in this interval and also in that interval. There's nothing that's in both intervals. These don't overlap at all. The intersection, we would say, is empty. There's no solution here. So the answer is just going to be no solution. Maybe you'll say the empty set, depending on how your teacher wants you to do it, but there is no solution here. There's no intersection. These don't intersect at all. Okay. Another example. Let's put these. We'll put all the numbers up on the number line. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll put them in order: 4, 8, 12, 15. And again, I don't really care that they're not spaced properly. That's irrelevant for this. But I've got the interval 4 to 12, which is going to be here, and I've got the interval 8 to 15. I only get to pick where they overlap. That's the intersection. So I only am picking this area right here. Numerically, I get everything from 8 to 12. All those numbers between 8 and 12 are in both of these intervals, so I get to keep those, and my answer is going to be 8 to 12. And I'm doing these problems with open intervals. We don't include the endpoints. We can do it with closed intervals where you include the interval, you include the endpoint, or maybe one with, one without, closed. It doesn't matter. The idea is still the same. Just apply it how you're doing it. And then this last example, let's see, 3 and 5. Forever to the left to 5, so that's going to look like this. And then 3 to infinity. It'll look like this. Again, we get the overlap, which is just the numbers from 3 to 5. So in this case, we say, oh, where do they overlap? In that interval, and that's going to be our answer. So hopefully this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'd appreciate that. It'll help other people find my videos. But keep working on these. I've got another interval that's similar to this that I do instead of intersection. I do union. You may have seen that before you see that. I'll link it up in the corner just in case. Anyway, have fun with these. Just a little practice and you'll get it.